Hey there, it's great to have you with us today. YouTube is a powerful platform with over 2 billion monthly active users. However, creating effective metadata such as titles, descriptions, and tags can be time-consuming and challenging. In this video, we are instructing a simple way to learn how to use ChatGPT to generate effective YouTube metadata that will increase your video's visibility and attract more views and clicks. We'll show you how to use ChatGPT, a powerful AI language model, to automate your YouTube metadata research and improve your video's search engine optimization or SEO. To follow along with this guide, you'll need a YouTube channel and access to ChatGPT. A basic understanding of YouTube SEO, ChatGPT, and metadata best practices is helpful, not needed and possible to learn by the end of this video. Finally, a text editor to save your work. Following these steps will outline how to use ChatGPT to automate YouTube metadata research. 1. Log into your YouTube channel and go to the Video Manager. 2. Select the video you want to optimize and click Edit. 3. Copy the title of your video and paste it into ChatGPT. 4. Choose the desired length for your description and click Generate. 5. Copy the generated description and paste it into the description box on your YouTube video. 6. Use ChatGPT to generate tags for your video by inputting the title and description. 7. Copy the generated tags and paste them into the tags box on your YouTube video. 8. Save your changes and publish. To ensure that your YouTube metadata research is effective in attracting views and clicks, consider the following factors. Title. Use a clear and compelling title that accurately describes your video content. Include relevant keywords and phrases to improve your visibility. Description. Write a detailed and informative description that gives viewers a good idea of what your video is about. Include relevant keywords and phrases, but avoid keyword stuffing. Tags. Use relevant tags that accurately describe your video content. Include popular keywords and phrases in your niche to improve your SEO.
Remember to carefully review and verify any information generated by ChatGPT, as it may not always be accurate or applicable to your specific situation. Additionally, be mindful of any YouTube policies or guidelines related to metadata and ensure that your metadata complies with them.
Using ChatGPT to automate your YouTube metadata research can save you time and improve your video's SEO. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and utilizing the tips provided, you can generate effective metadata that will increase your video's visibility and attract more views and clicks. Remember to calculate the appropriate YouTube metadata to ensure that your efforts are effective. Click this link for the example of this guide.
If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please let us know in the comments below or via email. Happy automating!